back to my kitchen. My name's Denise, and today we'll be making bechamel sauce. Bechamel is one of the basic French sauces that used to be known as a mother sauce. They were known as mother sauces because there were several sauces that could be made from the basic sauce. So if you learned how to make the mother, then you could make the children with relatively little effort. The term mother sauce, though, has fallen out of favor in culinary circles in recent years, and bechamel is now known just as a white sauce. I continue to call it bechamel out of habit, but the terms are interchangeable. Bechamel is surprisingly easy to make. You only need 3 ingredients plus salt and pepper. So let's go to the stove and get started. Okay, so here we are at the stove. The first thing to do is add your butter. Now I'm making a double batch of this bechamel sauce today, so I have 8 tablespoons of butter, which is a full stick, just a full stick of butter. If you don't have sticks of butter and you have it in a tub, then just use a half cup. So it's a half a cup of butter. Okay, so our butter is melted. And now we'll add in some flour and start whisking that to see how much we need. This is a double batch, so it should be a half cup, but I've added just over a quarter cup so far. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and pepper. I like to get my seasonings in a little early so they can season everything all through the process. All right, we need more flour. If you hear that in the background, that is my dog getting a drink of water. He is very loud sometimes, but I love him to pieces. He's a beast, and I love him. Do you all like dogs? Who out there has a dog? What kind do you have? I have a Chow Chow. Alright, so this is our roux. That's what this is called. Okay, so now we're ready to add our milk. This is half of it. And I turn the heat up because I know I'm going to be watching it. And now we're just waiting for it to come to a boil and it'll thicken. It does not need to be a full rolling boil. You'll know when it's done. Even if you're brand new to this and you've never done it before, you can do it. You can do this. You just keep whisking. If you have a non-stick skillet, just make sure that you have a silicone covered whisk and not a wire whisk, because you'll scratch the bottom of that pan. And you don't want to ruin your pan learning a new recipe. If you have a stainless steel skillet, then you don't have to worry about that. This step should take, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. Depends on how high you have your heat. Okay, so our bechamel has thickened slightly. And you can see it on the sides of the pan. And so I've turned the heat off. You can see the steam coming up from where it's releasing its heat now. And you can see the thickness. Grab a spoon real quick so you can see it's nice and thick. Definitely coats the back of the spoon. Seasoning is really good. Let's grab my spoon rest over here. Shout out to my niece for getting me the double spoon rest. It's for Christmas, so I guess my Santa Claus niece. There you have it. That's how easy it is to make bechamel sauce. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. When you subscribe, leave me a comment that you did so and I'll say hi back to you. I'll be uploading more content for you to enjoy, and in the meantime, I'll pop a couple of cards here for you to view some of my other recipes. Until next time, be safe and be well.